Hello guys, today I want to show you about how to get free coin in Gardenscape. Yes, as you know that everyone will need many coin in Gardenscape to upgrade your game app. Yes, let you can see the coin that they sell for you to upgrade. Yes, so please can check my coin. Yes, first you need to go to the browser and typing app install.online/gardenscape. Yes, this website. Yes, please enter your username and select your platform and click connect it. Yeah, you can enter username or ID or email. It's after the system is complete, please select coin that you want to generate and click generate. Okay, generate. After the system is complete, please click verify. Hey, this is an important step to verify you are a human, not a robot. So you must download the app for free below to verify to unlock to get free resources. And after you download is completed, please open or sign up and run this app around 30 seconds. Yes, now you start sign up with this app. Yes. You click skip. Yes. Then click install one more app. After download done, please open and play this app around 30 seconds also. Yes, waiting a moment. Yes, and click open and run it around 30 seconds. Yes, I do this tip to make sure that my human verification bypass are successfully done for these steps. And after you done all these steps, you could delete these apps. It's up to you. Yes, please restart your game and check with me all together. Oh yes, finally I got free many coins in my accounts of Gardenscape. So this method is free everything for you. You no need pay anything. You just take time a few minutes to get it for free. Yeah, thank you all together. Bye bye.